Yo, Wagwan man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at this guy, Mcqueen. He always does these pickup line challenges. So today he's going to do a pickup girls as a fake Target employee. Like, I don't know how he does it, but for some reason, man, whatever pickup lines he's using, Andrew Tate, Roddy Rich, it don't matter, girls still moved him. So it's like, I'm a little skeptic about this one because it's a Target employee. You know what I'm saying? Like, girls are gonna look at you a certain way most of the time. Like, no matter how much they want to lie. But then again, I guess it does come down to attraction. So we're just gonna see what's going on with that today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and ladies, let me know if you think these pickup lines from a Target employee would get you. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just walking around on my shift right now, and I'm bored as
Okay, this is a little different. I thought he was gonna be in an actual, like, uniform. This is different. They probably don't even believe he works there.
I come over here and tell you I think you're very beautiful. Yeah, what's your name?
Desiree.
Mcqueen, nice to meet you. Listen to me. I'll give you a discount if you give me your number.
Okay.
You will?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for sure. You know what I'm saying? That was easy. You know what I'm saying? How you doing today? You like
I'm
niggas?
good.
Damn. Why you nervous as for?
I'm not nervous.
You know, you
Man, just do it.
Yeah, I like niggas. That's what it looks like right there. Damn.
Nah. There's absolutely
No, because I was trying to shoot inside the cart, you know what I'm saying? And I just seen you look so pretty, I just got nervous and shit. Sorry, no, because I'm on the job and I'm just nervous, you know what I'm saying? And I just be bored as hell over here.
So you decided to pick
Well, because
training pants up and throw them on my head?
No, because I saw you had diapers and your shit, so I was just, you know what I'm saying, trying to get you a little discount, you know what I'm saying? I just chose the cheaper ones, you know?
I mean, I get it.
Yeah, no,
Shit,
you got a baby or something?
Yeah, I do.
You do? You want another one? Damn.
Huh?
You want another one? No, I'm just playing. No. You got a track record or niggas? Like, what's...
No, just approach people and ask them that.
No, I mean, you know, I be bored as shit. You know, these niggas will be paying me enough to actually take this shit serious. So, you know, I just be around pimping this shit, you know, as much as I possibly can. No, but I mean, you know, I only got eyes for you today, baby. What kind of scent you looking for?
This one's my
We got the light skin scent back over at my crib. I don't know if you like light skin scent. Not fucking with that? Okay, you're not a fan?
Not the light skin scent.
Oh, for real? You with the dark skin?
Just the scent.
Oh, just this. Okay, well, we still thinking about candles. Okay, for sure.
Yo.
Listen to you, Mcqueen, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I'm on the job right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm on duty.
That's how you be acting on duty?
Yeah, because, you know what I'm saying? I don't get paid enough to be taking this shit serious, you feel me? Yeah, you know, I just be walking around here bullshit, you know, but I thought you were really pretty, so that's why I came up and said something. You're just making me so nervous, I just couldn't help but just throw a pair of diapers at your head.
Yo, this
I'm
is
just
actually
playing,
so
but
funny.
Yeah, I didn't really expect you to take it so good, you know?
Yeah.
You know, usually someone of your stature would probably be pissed off.
I'm not
Yeah, meaning like you look like a black girl, they would get mad at me. Yes, you know, so that's exactly what I'm saying. Yeah, no.
Honestly, she do look like she would slap him in his fucking
Why?
face.
See, this is exactly what the fuck I mean. I can give you a discount if you gotta give me your number first, though.
Okay.
What
Did
was
this
your
girl
name?
already say yes?
Desiree, Mcqueen. I forgot my name tag today, you know.
What sign are you?
I'm a Cancer. Oh my God, yeah, I knew it. Is that what you were about to say?
No, I was going to guess Aries.
Why?
That's how you're talking.
Oh, okay, for sure.
I hate when people are too into these signs, man. Like, it's not
So
real.
what's your sign?
Sagittarius.
Most of the
For sure.
days.
Yeah, that's probably why you had that
Some days it
maniacal
do
laugh
hit.
right now, you know what I'm saying? That's probably why you look like that. Y'all niggas be psychos. But it's cool, you know what I'm saying? I know how to deal with psychos. I used to work at a psych ward. Nah, I didn't. I'm just fucking around.
This guy's so
I'm just fucking
stupid.
around. You're like, oh my God, really? Nah, but it's all right. It's nice to meet you, Desiree. I'll hit you up later. All right, have a nice day. Hey, listen, no, don't do that. You're black, remember. We're not white, okay? You don't sit there and complain to the fucking managers.
Shit.
No, listen. Relax. What was your name?
Deja.
Mcqueen, nice to
Deja.
Yeah, hello. This is a very interesting. Damn, what you got such a strong grip for? Relax.
Because you got me fucked up.
Okay, well, I can get you more fucked up since you want a baby. You know, so we was talking about that earlier. No. I will.
What?
Well, yeah, you like that. That's what that ooh was about, huh?
The ooh, I was going to say something crazy, but
What?
I can't match your crazy.
Why?
Kill it.
what you gonna do? Show me.
I'm going to kill the baby.
You gonna kill the baby? What the fuck are you talking about?
If you give me a baby, you think I'm...
So you about to get my coworker mad and shit, you know what I'm saying?
Your coworker can see me.
Damn. Why he got...
And you too.
Listen, relax.
What
Okay,
is
I just
going
wanna see you. I
on?
want to see you later, though, you know, if that's cool with you. I know I came off, you know what I'm saying, real rude and aggressive at first, but I'm actually a really nice guy, you know, and I like your hair.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo, that's
What
so
you trying to
foul
do?
that he's putting this on the
See,
internet when she's like, should kill the baby.
Wigs or some shit? Is it because of my black girl comments earlier? No. No, it's all right. I don't mind. You know, you can wear the bonnet. You can do all that. I don't give a fuck. You look really nice.
Oh, she is pretty still. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, we got a black bitch stealing some shit on aisle G46.
Black bitch.
I didn't say that. I just said black witch.
No, I heard you say black.
She got her.
bitch, not your bitch.
She's got her cheeks out and shit too.
What does my cheeks being I don't have to do with you and your job?
Well, because you look like a ratchet bitch. If I'm just being quite frank.
You know I will call my niggas up here.
Who?
I will call my niggas up here. to
Okay,
beat your
well, I'll call my niggas from the back room. You know what I'm saying? Like, the fuck you talking about?
Call your manager while you're at it.
Why? For what? What are you gonna do?
Because you're in here wilding and I'm
You're in here stealing. Yeah, what's your sign?
Yo, this guy is so
Oh,
brave.
damn, that's crazy.
What's your sign?
I'm a Cancer.
I know for a fact one of these girls slapped him in his face.
See, I knew you were about to say that just because I talked shit about your sign. This is
No,
the
you
reason.
didn't have to talk shit about my sign. Cancers are just emotional. And
Okay,
lame and corny.
so Sagittarius aren't?
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
Yo,
You guys
her
you guys
ass
are
is
like 6
really
foot
out
now.
in this Walmart. Out and
Of
about.
course you think that. All right.
But you're thinking of a Gemini. But
You guys are twins.
No, we're
Yes, you
not.
are.
Not even
You
close.
guys are twins in the
No.
zodiac. Okay, listen to me. I don't really give a fuck about any of that.
Okay.
What I do give a fuck about is that you're very beautiful. You know what I'm saying? And I'm bored at work. And I'm just so happy that I had to cross paths with you. If you want another baby, we could, have a discussion about that later. But
This guy
until then,
really
you
wants her
should
to
give
keep
me
talking about killing kids.
I mean, I don't know about the baby, but I guess you can
Okay.
have my number.
Oh, see, I knew you was fucking with me because you wouldn't have been talking.
Barely.
You wouldn't have been talking to me this long.
I said
You
barely.
thought I was gonna fight you for real?
Nah, and if you did, you know what I'm saying? I would just have to press charges, under the name of Target.
Charges.
Yeah.
Fuck your job.
Nigga, what the fuck your baby, nigga?
Nigga, fuck your baby.
Fuck your baby.
I don't got a baby.
The baby that we supposed to be having. Fuck.
Oh,
that
so
kid.
we gonna have a baby now?
Fuck that. I didn't say all that, but I'm saying the one we supposed to be having. Fuck that kid.
Okay,
Yo,
cool.
this is
That's
so
fine. I
weird.
don't want that nigga anyways.
Okay, then I'll throw myself down the stairs. Fuck
Damn.
Oh, see, I like your
Bro,
attitude.
she
Okay,
is
I like the way you
scary.
think, baby.
Oh no, this might be dangerous.
Why is it dangerous?
Like Mr. and Mrs. Smith. I don't know.
Oh, see, I like that though. I'm just saying, I saw you stealing this shit.
Do I have on enough clothes?
Damn.
Listen, if you're about to
Bro,
use
what's
excessive
going on with this Target? Where is this Target that all these girls have their ass outside? Like, where?
force, need to protect myself. Yeah, she's stealing the rainbow eggs and shit. Listen, baby, you know what I'm saying? Do you usually come to Target with just with your cheek out, your cheeks
That's
out,
what I'm
just
saying.
Stealing shit?
What does my cheeks out have to do with your job?
I'm just using the description of your look right now for me to tell the people in the back room to come and get you. You know what I'm saying? The authorities. It does. You know what I'm saying? So you should be, you know what I'm saying, quite concerned with what you're doing right now. I'm just kidding though. No, I'm listening, man. I'm just kidding. I just wanted you to think I was one of the whites. That's why I was saying that. I'm just fucking around. No, but I am on the clock though. You know what I'm saying? But I would just come around just saying I'm just be bored on my shit. Yeah, just fucking
There's no way this girl would continue speaking to this man after that.
around. Just like you over here fucking around stealing shit.
I'm shopping, sir.
I like living on the edge.
Right. So you
Yeah.
gonna throw me through the wall?
I mean, I'm gonna throw you on the edge of the bed so I could, you know what I'm saying?
No, I want you to throw me through the wall.
Damn.
Like
What the
Kool-Aid
fuck?
Man, just throw me through that bitch.
Okay, so you aggressive. Yeah, this is that Sagittarius shit. Y'all niggas are fucking insane.
He ain't lying.
A little bit.
Yeah. Look at little bit. Fucking psychopath. McQueen.
I'm so confused.
Deja, right? I remembered it. I remembered it.
You weren't too sure.
I remembered it though. I remembered it.
You weren't too sure.
You smell good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What the
you
fuck?
Like crazy, huh? You like me.
Little bit.
Listen to me. All right, I'm gonna leave you alone. You get back to your little huggy
I will.
excursion,
Yeah.
and I'll talk to you later. All right,
Yeah.
all right, nice to meet you, Deja. All right, I do think you're beautiful, Like I said, I just be, fucking around on the clock and shit.
I thought you thought I was a ratchet bitch.
I mean, I do like ratchet bitches, especially ones with their cheeks out,
And I like scamming niggas. Do you scam?
I mean, I can scam my dick in your,
Damn.
but no, listen. No, I don't scam, but got a lot of businesses and shit. You know what I'm saying? Besides, this
Well, why
Target
would you
shit,
work?
feel me?
So
Work
what you
at
still working
Target.
at Target for?
Or what you still walking around stealing shit for? If you know what I'm saying? If you got money.
Don't you make like 14 an hour?
I mean, don't you make? I know you probably a stripper, ain't you?
Don't worry about what I do.
You a stripper, ain't
Yeah,
you?
she's
Yeah,
a
you
stripper.
I probably make more than you.
Okay, look, but honestly, then why are you stealing it if you make more than me?
Sir, nobody is stealing.
Okay, I mean, look, it looked like you was about to commit some theft until I came up and said something.
Do you even work at Target? Is that a Target shirt?
Nigga,
Yeah, I'm
yes, nigga,
dead.
What the fuck? You think it's supposed to say Target
She's
across my shit?
the only girl that actually asked that, which like it makes no sense to
Oh,
me.
do rag on.
Okay, nigga, I'm black.
Okay, sir, excuse me.
No. Oh, I thought you was about to fire on me. You know what I'm
I mean,
saying?
I'm just might if you don't get on my face.
These bras over here look a little too small for your
Bro,
titties.
which goddamn Target is this, bro? Where he's finding these girls?
What? I'm just trying to help you out.
I think you're being a hater.
How am I being a hater? I said they look a little too small for your titties. You know what I'm saying? You got some, you know what I'm saying? They're bigger and shit.
Yeah, you're right, actually.
That's
right.
yeah. How am
That
I
was a
being?
nice one.
That's
I
what
was like-
that's what I'm trying to tell you.
You was calling me fat for a second.
What the fuck are you
So I was
talking?
like,
No, man. I'm trying to be a good employee. You feel me?
Oh, you right then.
Yeah.
Point me to the bigger one.
Got the this one looks a little bit more your. You feel me? That looks a little bit more your steez. You feel me? Hold on. Let me take.
Why is
this
there a
shit off,
heart
you know?
there?
I'm trying to be a good employee. You know? Hold
For
on one
YouTube,
second.
eh?
Let me get you right. They call me the titty profession. You you know? Yeah, so, you know.
Take professional target.
So, you know what I'm saying? This looks like it would look lavish on you, you know what I'm saying? I think it gives you that nice, sleek, you know, elegant, sexy look, you feel me? How you feel about that? You like this?
I hate it.
No, you don't like it? Then why did you just...
This screams grandma. I want like young.
Okay, well, why are you looking at the grammar section?
Damn.
Listen, you gonna give me your number? What's up?
No,
Why not?
because you don't have any money.
Damn.
How do you know I ain't got no money? How do you...
It's 2023.
First of all, I'm from Cali. We all wear Converse, okay? What do you fucking...
Cali, too.
Okay, but so why are you acting like, you know what I'm saying, you don't know what the fuck we be wearing over here?
You wear Vans too, huh?
No, I don't, nigga. You wear thongs?
That's better. Don't worry about what I wear.
You know
What
where
I
shit it
No,
look like.
I'm just trying to figure this shit out, you know what I'm
The
trying
fact
to
that
say?
she's still
You
there standing
sitting
talking to him is
me
funny.
right now. Why you
You're
act...
talking to me.
Okay,
Find me.
I'm on the job, baby, you know what I'm saying?
Where's your manager?
Why the fuck do you care? You white or some shit? What are you about to say to that nigga? If I come over here, you're gonna get arrested. I'm just letting you know.
Call him.
I'm not gonna call. You know we got a sale on light-skinned niggas on aisle 50?
Damn.
It's a prestigious sale, you know? Yeah.
Bro,
you know,
this
I don't
guy's
know if
so
you like
dumb.
light-skinned niggas, but-
What are dark skin niggas?
What's up with you and dark? What's going on with dark-skinned niggas, man? You know, where the light-skin love? You light-skin your damn self.
Exactly. If I want light skin, I just fuck myself.
Damn.
What the fuck, man? Listen,
kind of logic?
Listen, can't nobody, you know, make you feel appreciated and make you feel like a woman the way a light-skinned nigga can. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Have you ever fucked with a light-skinned nigga before? Huh?
You're light skin.
Okay, well, of course I'm biased. You know what I'm saying? If I was dark-skinned, I'd be biased towards me being dark-skinned, nigga. Of course. You know what I'm saying? Just like you was biased right now talking about, oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm light-skinned. I can fuck myself. I don't need no light-skinned. So you must be an independent woman that don't need no
Bro, honestly,
makeup.
this conversation is killing me right now. What is going on?
What the fuck? Nigga, you on crack? What's going on? You snorted a line before you walked in this bitch?
No, just somewhat.
Somewhat?
I don't need nobody, but obviously it helps to have some.
Yeah, exactly, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, if you didn't need no man in your life, you know what I'm saying, then you wouldn't have had somebody come up to you and, you know, try to give you some nice, you know, perfect bras for your voluptuous titties, you know? Yeah.
Nigga is such a blabbler. He
You're
just
welcome,
spits out
you
shit
know
that
what I'm saying?
it
I'm
makes
not
sense
gonna
when it's
talk-
just
I'm not gonna
random.
talk. Why? What are you gonna say to him? How am I
Hey.
gonna get fired?
I'm gonna say whatever I gotta say.
Okay. Well, listen.
Excuse me, manager.
We got a stripper over here in fucking G46, you know what I'm saying, stealing shit.
Damn.
What you about?
Make a scene.
You about to make a scene? What you about to do? We can make.
Anything else I can help you with?
Yes, we can make a scene at my crib later on if you want.
Damn.
No?
Yo, I'm dead.
Bye.
All right. You have a nice day. Please cover your cheeks up.
Mind your business.
You think I'm cute, don't you?
You alright.
Yeah, am I? Okay, for sure. You know what I'm saying? You stay in LA. But don't worry, you know what I'm saying? This is my only hustle, you know what I'm saying? Niggas make money on other ways, you know? This is just my side hustle, you
Sorry,
think?
this is the side hustle.
Yeah, exactly, you know what I'm saying? So don't worry about it, baby, you know what I'm saying? When it comes to your funds and your life, it'll be perfect, you know what I'm saying? Don't worry about the income, baby.
Try to get 40% off.
Yeah, yes, nigga, everything, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we got a discount going on for light-skinned niggas over there in aisle 50,
Shit is
you know
so
what I'm saying?
funny.
And there's a lot of discounts that I could get you, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if you like scammers. You like scammers?
Yeah, alright.
Of course you like
I
scammers.
want the grower.
You want the grow. I'm a grower for sure.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? I'm for sure a grower. Don't worry about that. You know, yeah, you know what I'm saying? But
I
listen.
walked into that one. I walked into
Yeah, you did. I'm like, damn, what you talking about? We talking about the same grower? I know you said you would rather fuck yourself, but you know, I don't think you'd be
Yeah.
talking to me this long if you wasn't interested in giving me your number.
Alright, well, come on.
Yeah, you was waiting for that.
Well,
Just
come on.
come on. Okay, for sure. I like your nose piercings. Yeah, those is fire. You trying to
just
go for,
don't
the
know
mermaid
where-
look?
This target is.
Yeah.
Am I succeeding?
Yeah, definitely, for sure. Yeah. You like tall niggas? Yeah, I gotta stand there real quick just so you see the, you know what I'm saying?
Yo,
Full
this
height.
guy's so
What's your
dope.
name again?
Peaches.
Okay, my name is Cream.
Damn.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to
Cream.
meet you. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Heard that one before.
Yeah, exactly. Cool, Peaches. It was nice to meet you. I'll leave you alone.
Yo, the
You know what I'm
man said
saying?
cream, but she didn't even
more help
second
with
guess
the
it.
Damn.
No? Okay. All right, for sure. Have a nice day.
See, I told you.
Bro, I don't know how this shit works for him, but it does. I guess, as I said, man, it's because they find him attractive, so it doesn't really matter. But guys, if you enjoyed that video, man, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.